Welcome back to Auto Street. Today we're diving into a car that blends the past with the future, the 2025 Borgward Isabella Coupe. This is a car that resurrects an iconic nameplate with a modern twist, delivering sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and a driving experience that pays homage to the legendary classic. Borgward was a German brand that had its golden years in the 1950s and 60s, producing stylish and innovative cars that were ahead of their time. One of its most famous models was the original Isabella, a beautifully designed coupe that became a symbol of elegance and engineering prowess. Fast forward to today and the name Borgward has been revived, bringing back the Isabella as a 2025 model reimagined for a new generation. The first thing that stands out is its design. Finished in Dark Mehrun, this modern Isabella coupe exudes a deep, luxurious presence. The flowing lines, sculpted bodywork, and a gracefully sloping roofline capture the essence of the classic Isabella, but with a futuristic appeal. The front features a modern interpretation of the original grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that give it an aggressive yet elegant look. The body is aerodynamically sculpted, with smooth curves and sharp edges that reduce drag while enhancing its sporty stance. Moving to the rear, the 2025 Isabella Coupe boasts a clean, minimalist design with a continuous LED light strip that runs across the width, emphasizing its wide and low posture. The subtle spoiler adds a performance-oriented touch without compromising the car's elegant aesthetics. The chrome accents, flush door handles, and unique wheel design further enhance its premium feel, making it stand out as a sophisticated yet bold statement on the road. Under the hood, this modern Isabella Coupe doesn't follow traditional combustion engines. Instead, it embraces electrification with a high-performance EV powertrain. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system delivers instant torque, ensuring rapid acceleration and a smooth, silent drive. The estimated power output sits around 400 to 500 horsepower, giving it sports car-like performance with a 0-60 mph time of under 4 seconds. The battery pack provides a substantial range of approximately 350 to 400 miles on a single charge, making it practical for long drives while maintaining eco-friendly efficiency. Inside, the cabin is a perfect blend of classic inspiration and futuristic technology. The interior features high-quality leather and sustainable materials, with a driver-focused cockpit that seamlessly integrates digital displays and tactile controls. A massive, curved OLED touchscreen dominates the center console, handling everything from navigation to climate control. The instrument cluster is fully digital, providing real-time information with customizable layouts. Despite being a performance-oriented coupe, the Isabella remains comfortable and refined. The seats are ergonomically designed with memory and massage functions, ensuring a luxurious driving experience. The ambient lighting, inspired by the warm glow of classic cars, adds to the cabin's sophisticated atmosphere. The advanced AI-powered infotainment system learns the driver's preferences, adjusting settings automatically for a personalized journey. Borgward has also integrated state-of-the-art safety and driver assistance features. Autonomous driving capabilities allow for hands-free cruising on highways, while AI-assisted parking makes maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. The car's sensors and cameras provide a 360-degree view, ensuring maximum awareness and safety in all driving conditions. But what truly sets the 2025 Isabella Coupe apart is its driving dynamics. The adaptive air suspension adjusts in real time, offering a smooth and comfortable ride in normal mode and a firm, responsive setup in sport mode. The precise steering and low center of gravity make it a joy to drive, whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising on the highway. With regenerative braking, energy is efficiently recovered, further enhancing the overall driving experience. The return of the Borgward Isabella Coupe is more than just a revival of a name. It's a statement that classic design and modern innovation can coexist beautifully. With its stunning looks, electrified performance, and luxurious interior, this coupe represents a perfect balance of nostalgia and progress. So, what do you think about the 2025 Borgward Isabella Coupe? Is it a worthy successor to the legendary classic? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of automotive innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.